Hello friends and welcome back to Amjirinkar Fat to Fit YouTube channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you some of the best breakfast which will help you to reduce your body fat. So guys, when it comes to your fat loss, there is no doubt your diet is one of the most important factor to reduce your body fat. Even if you train your body regularly, consistent, but if your diet, nutrition is not proper, then your result will be not so impressive. So, if you want to maximize your fat loss and minimize your muscle loss, it's very important that you should focus on your diet. So, here are a couple of best breakfasts which will help you to reduce your body fat. So, let's start. So, once you get up in the morning, drink warm water. After that, half an hour, eat one banana. Empty stomach banana will help you to cut down your body fat. So, eat one banana. So, now in the breakfast, you can have eggs. Eggs in any format, like you can have omelets. You can cut down the onions and tomato, you can have it, or you can have boiled eggs, four boiled eggs. So out of that four boiled eggs, three you should have egg whites and one whole egg. So apart from this, you can have any kind of fruit like apple or orange, or you can have cucumber or carrot as well. So after that 30 minutes, you have to have a green tea. Green tea which helps you to boost your metabolism as well and helps you to cut down the body fat. Or you can have apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar in a lukewarm water, which will help you to cut down the body fat. The second one is banana shake. If you're a fruit lover, then you can have a banana shake as well in the morning by adding cucumber or carrot, and then later on green tea, or you can add apple cider vinegar. And the third one is my favorite one, and I have it a lot: oats. Oats are packed with full nutrients like healthy carbs, fiber, and protein. Oats are rich in fiber contents which help you to increase your digestive system and also boost your metabolism. And it also helps your body to flush out all the excessive fat. So how to make it? Let's start. Take 2 cups of oats, heat oil in a non-sticky pan. I have taken a normal pan over here. Add onions into it. Mix it well and saute till the onion gets golden. Once it is done, now you have to add tomatoes. Add tomatoes, mix it and reduce the heat. Cover it for 2 minutes. Once it is done, now you have to add turmeric powder. After that, chili powder and then salt. Once it is done, mix it well. Once it is done, now you have to add the oats. Once the oats is added, you have to just mix it, and then after 2 minutes you have to add split yellow grams, which is tur ki dal. Once it is done, you have to give a good mix to it, and later on add 2 glass of water. Once you add 2 glass of water, let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes, and now your delicious oats is ready. You can also customize it as per your requirement. You can add green peas, green vegetables, carrots, and also coriander. So guys, these are one of the best and healthy breakfast which will help you to cut down your body fat and stay healthy. So that's it for today. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and eat healthy and stay healthy. All the best.